NZXT S340 Elite expands on the renowned durability of the original S340. Packed with plenty of new features, the S340 Elite is ready to showcase your build with crisp clarity through a tempered glass panel. With dimensions of 203mm wide, 474mm high, and 432mm deep. Optimized cable management experience for a simple and hassle-free build. Streamlined VR access with HDMI and USB 3.0 from the top I/O. Easy-to-use headset and VR cable management puck. Integrated PSU shroud with 3 SSD mounts. Fully filtered and easy-to-remove intake, with full Kraken series water cooling support. The materials include tempered glass side panel, steel, and ABS plastic.
Hey guys, George from Corsair here. I'm the product manager for cases, and this is the 400C and the 400Q. Like the full tower 600 series, each of these cases is built for a specific purpose, and they share a lot of features, but let me talk about why you would want one of these two cases. The 400C and 400Q both share a couple of layout options. For example, there's no optical drive bay at all. There's no 5¼ inch bay, so you're able to shrink the chassis a bit and get better airflow to your CPU and GPU. The other thing they share is this cool steel front, so that you actually have no kind of plastic that you touch. There's a little plastic support here, but the top, the front, the sides, they're all steel. So it's really, really good build quality and good feel there. On the 400C, the big difference here is that we eschewed the kind of sound damping material a bit, so we could give you this big window and a nice mesh dust filter up here, for those of you guys who want to put your intake fans up top. That means that you have a little bit better airflow here, a little bit better cooling, and that cool blingy side panel window that opens real easily on a hinge like that. You can pop it off real easily, and when you're done, you just close it. you.